Thank you for choosing Waterdrop KJ600 Instant Hot Water RO System. The filter life indicators on the system and faucet indicates the lifespan status of the filter. How to replace the filter. The filter can be replaced directly without shutting off the water source or power supply. 1. Turn off the tap and wait for 30 seconds to fully release the pressure of the system. 2. Twist off the old filter counterclockwise. 3. Twist into the new filter clockwise until the filter handle is in line with the display bar. 4. Hold the filter reset key on the system KIF for 5 seconds. When you hear the beep sound from the system, the filter has been successfully reset. The indicator lights of the front panel and faucet filter will turn blue. 5. After the filter is successfully reset, the system will start flushing automatically for 60 seconds. Then the cold water key flashes. Touch the key to flush the filter for 15 minutes until the faucet stops delivering water. So far, you have successfully replaced the filter of the system KJ600. Please replace the filter regularly according to the filter life indicator.